All right, end of day 3, 3:30 in the afternoon. One piece of plywood and some trash on the trailer. Ceiling fan needs to be moved, but we'll do that later. And this is what we've got. 12 by 24 deck, covered roof. Use BC plywood, it's going to paint out nice. Everything's cleaned up, reinforced. Just 3 days in. 5 guys. Next week we're going to put up steps in the railing. Some lattice underneath. A really, really nice product for this homeowner. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Everything's really neat, clean. Job site's nice and clean. Easy finish next week.